Because if you say this session starts at 4 o'clock, it should start at 3:59. That is called a scientific discipline, and that should be maintained. And don't bring in all kinds of things. You know, last time also I said, this drumming, dum, 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 dum. Each time you drum, the whole noisy wellness effect is undone. Because noise pollution is the biggest damage for wellness. In Ayurveda, there is a subset called Gandharva Ayurveda, where there are ragas, beautiful ragas in classical music, which cure diseases from common cold to cancer. And you can get a particular raga, put it in a CD, there is a company doing that, and according to Gandharva Ayurveda, find out what is your disease and sing that. You can get one of those 2 tapes here and play it as a background music. Not only when people come and go here, but all the time from morning till evening. In the evening, all of you will be healthier. A study done in New York hospital showed this kind of classical music piped into the operation theatre, controlled on another operation theatre, no music piped in. The piped in music theatre patient recovered faster. His anesthesia effect was much better. The surgeon's work was much better. The nurse was more tranquil. And recovery, wound healing was faster, shorter by a week. Can you believe that? That is the effect of music. And the reverse is the effect of rock music. Some of you who won't believe what others say, please read this book. This is called Closing of an American Mind. What's the book's name? Closing of an American Mind. It is written by a man called Saul Bellow, one of the greatest thinkers in America, professor of psychology in Chicago. And in this book there is a chapter, The Health Effects of Rock Music. Probably you don't know what's the meaning of the word rock, do you? What's rock music? No, rock is not an English word. Rock is an African word. Rock simply means sexual intercourse. So the beat is such that you lose your emotions in your later emotional married life. And he traces scientifically how the divorce epidemic in America is the result of the rock music of the 60s. What a beautiful study that is. You must study that. You know, our younger generation must know that, because we think anything that comes from the West is Tirtham. It comes from the Shankar. Now there is a tsunami in the West on the corporate world. Very soon that tsunami will hit corporate medicine. And then people will look to India for Ayurveda. Just this morning, one of the American journals, I read an article. The wisdom of Eastern oldest medicine, Ayurveda. Can you believe that? They wouldn't have written that. Now they know that future depends on Indian wisdom, Indian medicine. So wellness from the Ayurvedic concept is the future. Now, if you want to sell Noni, which I understand is very effective therapeutic tool, you must conduct studies which are acceptable scientifically all over the world, and then you have now very good opportunity, because a new journal has been started, one in London and one we have started here in India, to publish only healing outcomes. It's called, London one is called Cases Journal. If you have, like for example, Leena, if you really study what Leena had and document what she had, which can't be done now because she is fine. If we had done that earlier, and then after giving Noni product, you had re-studied her and documented all that, send it and send it to me. I will get it published in the Cases Journal in London. Or we have a journal which has an editorial board with the Nobel laureates and others. If you see the editorial board, it looks like the who is who in the world of science. And we will publish your case, provided it meets scientific criteria. There's a very big word called scientific criteria. I'm not saying that science is perfect, but as of now, that's perfect. So science is what it is today. Tomorrow if it changes, it changes. That's how it changes. You know, You don't know what an electron is. It has gone through so many phases. Each time everybody got a